Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this homemade lime coconut ice cream. This ice cream is the perfect dessert for these hot summer days. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of coconut cream. Guys, when you go to the store to buy your coconut cream, make sure to read the label and get you some organic coconut cream that does not have guar gum or xanthan gum, okay? Read the labels, because when you have guar gum in there, it's not gonna whip really nice. Actually, you can make your own coconut cream at home. I'm sure there are tons of videos on YouTube on how to do it, okay? So read the labels or make it yourself. So I'm gonna be whipping my cream and my coconut cream together until I have soft peaks. That's gonna take maybe about almost 10 minutes to whip up, okay? So the quantity of cream that you're whipping will determine the amount of time you have to spend whipping it. So take your time and keep checking it. Once you have your soft peaks, just stop. You don't want to over whip it, but you also don't want to under whip it. So once my cream has been whipped up and it's light and airy and fluffy, just the way that I like it, and once I have the soft peaks that I'm looking for, I'm gonna go ahead and add my condensed milk. Guys, this recipe does not call for sugar because the condensed milk itself has way too much sugar for me. I'm telling you, I'm not a sweet tooth. I do not like things that are overly sweet. So the condensed milk had just enough sugar for me, okay? So I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So like I said, guys, if you really want it to be sweeter, I can't even imagine why anybody would want it to be even sweeter than it is already. You might want to add some more sugar. But 1 cup of condensed milk was just perfect. It was so sweet. Actually, it was a little bit too sweet for me, but then the lime juice and the lime zest helped to balance out all that sweetness. Okay, so keep that in mind. So the great thing about making your ice cream yourself is that you get to choose what goes in there and what stays out. So once I have everything perfectly combined, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm adding my coconut flakes, about a 1/4 cup of coconut flakes, 1 teaspoon of lime zest, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice. That lime flavor is just unbelievable. Lime paired with coconuts, I'm telling you, it is a match made in heaven. And it's so refreshing. That limey flavor balances out all the sweetness from the sugars and the condensed milk, and it's just a perfect balance of flavors in your mouth. Okay, you need to try this one, guys. Everything combined, I am scooping my ice cream mix into my container, and then I'm gonna set this in the freezer for at least 6 hours. Actually, I left mine overnight. Okay, so I like to make it the night before I need to eat it, and I just let it sit in the freezer overnight. And guys, this is what it looks like in the end, scooped up and served up and ready to be eaten. So I'm topping it up with some toasted coconuts and some extra lime zest, and it is time to dig right in. So tasty, I'm telling you. Lime and coconut, that's a match made in heaven, guys. It is a match made in heaven. The perfect sweetness, the perfect flavors, the texture from the coconuts, amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you know when I post new videos. And guys, like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and share this video with your friends and your family, okay? I love you all. See you guys in the next video.